Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Xenvo lens and your phone, remove bulky cases, lay the clip nearby, and clean the camera glass. Once done, place the clip over the phone camera and gently attach the lens. Align its center with the camera sensor so the optics sit flush. Make sure the lens threads are tight but not forced. This prevents vignetting and keeps focus consistent. You want the macro or wide lens precisely centered. Small shifts change framing, so take a second to confirm alignment before proceeding. Now configure your camera for the attached Xenvo lens. Choose the app and lens mode, wide for scenes, macro for tight detail. Then disable digital zoom because extra zoom reduces quality. Tap to focus on your subject and use focus lock if available, since moving will shift the shallow depth of field. Adjust exposure manually or tap to set brightness. The lens changes light gathering, so compensate to avoid blown highlights. Once focus and exposure are stable, reframe as needed and hold the phone steady, or use a tripod for sharp images. Finish by capturing your shot. Use a timer or remote to eliminate shake, and take multiple frames to ensure one is sharp. If you notice dark corners or vignetting, stop and recenter the lens over the camera, then retake. Slight misalignment causes most issues. For blur, change the subject distance by a few centimeters or tap to focus again. Macro shots need precise spacing. Finally, clean and store the Xenvo lens in its case to protect the coating. If problems persist, reseat the clip and repeat alignment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.